traffic.
Whoa.
Hey, Ari. Sorry.
No, it's fine. Actually, you're kind of warm.
Where the fuck did it go?
Oh. This is actually probably one of the best seats you can get.
Yeah. I told my mom we got good ones. Okay, I'm gonna try not to put my weight on you, but. Hey, Nia, your trajectory was off. Huh? You said it was gonna happen over there. It's happening right there. That is beautiful. What is that? Oh. Oh, that was going to be a shape of something. You know, this is really comfy. Hey, Nia, it's a good thing we did it on your phone because you have so much better picture than I would. Hell, your picture's picking up bugs that fly by the camera. It's fucking awesome. You want me to scoot over?
My arms are starting to hurt.
Get a towel. Aw. I've got to say, this has been the best 4th I've ever been to.
Wow. I love all those fireworks.
If you can put your feet on your towel if you want.
Yeah. Bugs aren't chewing them or eating them really anymore after I put on the lotion, but from before they got really bit up.
No, I'm saying if your feet's cold.
No, they're not cold, they're just itch.
It looks like I'm under it. It's so awesome.
I know. This is the coolest thing I've ever.
We are coming here again next year, you guys.
There's no question.
I don't know where the fuck all the bugs came from, though. They're landing on me and shit. It's like, ugh. I ate one. Oh, please. Wait a minute, I figured out why they were attacking me. Nia, does your phone have a flash on it? What? Oh!
That was cool. Ah, that one's cool too.
My ring pop just broke.
Aww.
Right in half.
I love those.
Snail!
Oh, that one's cool.
Oh.
These are seriously some of the These ones are way better than last year's too. Last year's were really good. This is amazing.
Probably because you're with friends and you're like living it right now.
That's like they didn't do as many shapes as they are this year. Yeah.
Really?
This is... I love the sparkly one.
I know. I love the ones. This is my favorite. Because it looks like it's raining. Without the green and the red thing though. Just pure gold. It makes it look like it's raining down on you. It's beautiful. And those ones. Oh. Stupid bugs. Go away. They should have turned that light off. Oh! Oh, I really like that one. This is the one that I like. I like them all. What am I saying? Whoa. Oh my god, I love it.
Gorgeous.
I swear to God, these bugs, I'm gonna kill them all. Whoa.
Oh, so gorgeous.
Like, these bugs have literally got to leave me the fuck alone.